So in this video, I wanted to do a quick size comparison between the A6 and B6 paper sizes. If you're buying your paper online, it can be really confusing to get the right size. As the sizes get bigger, you're spending more money, but you may not be getting exactly the right paper for you. Maybe you want something larger or something more portable. And then you're like, should I get an A5 or a B6 or an A7? And it gets really confusing, particularly because the A line tends to be a little bit more popular in the US. On the left, we have a Midori notebook in A6. This is just a little pocket notebook, kind of a journal type thing. On the right, we have a little notepad, and this is the B6 size. And it's kind of strange because usually the A and B, you wouldn't do a direct comparison. Usually you're looking at an A5 versus a B6, but we'll do a different video on that. A6 is a smaller size than B6, and you could see that it is a good deal smaller. There you go on the size dimensions. The A is, and I have a ruler right here, but you could also use these little hashes. These are 1/2-inch lines. That A is about 1.5 inches shorter than the B and almost 1 inch narrower, 3/4 of an inch narrower. So it's a good deal smaller. If you want the official dimensions, they're pretty easy to find. For A6, you're looking at 105 by 148 millimeter or 4.1 by 5.8 inches. For the B6, you're looking at 125 by 176 millimeter or 4.9 by 6.9 inches. So basically, if you wanted to do a quick reference, the A6 is 4 by 6, the B6 is 5 by 7. So that's just a general way to think about it. A6 is a nice small notebook. It's a little bit large to be pocketable. Usually you're looking at one size down to be a pocketable. The B6 is definitely something you'd put in your bag but not fit into a pocket. So the A6, again, it's like borderline pocket size. You have enough room for a good amount of writing, but it's a little large for a conventional jeans pocket, but it's fine for a coat. B6, again, you're looking for it. That's a smaller notepad for just for note taking and stuff like that, but it's not huge. It'd be small for a journal, much more portable than an A4. As far as reference goes, here is a very standard gel pen. You can see that pen right there. Here is a pencil that's been slightly sharpened. You can see it's much larger than the A6 and about the same size as the B6. As far as uses go, again, A6 is useful for small notebooks, probably too small for a journal. B6 is nice for a notepad or a smallish notebook. These are generally notes sizes, not something you'd be doing a lot of writing in or journaling or anything like that. They're definitely more sort of portable sizes, but not quite in that pocketable range. So yeah, just a quick comparison between A6 and B6 paper sizes. Thanks for watching.